Welcome the our channel. Today we how to activate RingCentral step by step clearly. To activate RingCentral, begin by visiting the official RingCentral website. Locate the sign up or get started button. Click on it to initiate the setup process. Select the plan that best suits your needs. Fill in the required information, including your name, email, and phone number. Create a strong password to secure your account. After filling out the form, click on the Create Account button. Check your email for a verification message from RingCentral. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. Once verified, return to the RingCentral site and log in using your new credentials. Follow the on-screen prompts to set up your account preferences. You will be prompted to enter a phone number for your RingCentral account. If you have an existing number, choose the option to transfer it, or select a new number. Complete the setup by providing any additional information as requested. After finalizing your settings, download the RingCentral app from your device's App Store. Install the app and log in with the account you just created. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the interface and features. You are now ready to start using RingCentral for your communication needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.